Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the term confessional poetry. Introduction. Confessional poetry, a groundbreaking poetic movement that emerged in the late 1950s, marked a significant departure from the prevailing trends of its time. Spearheaded by Robert Lowell's influential collection, Life Studies, this literary revolution shattered the notion of poetic impersonality championed by T.S. Eliot and new critics. Instead, confessional poetry delved into the deeply personal and intimate aspects of poets' own life, offering candid and often shocking revelations. Origins and rebellion. Confessional poetry was a reaction against the demand for poetic impersonality advocated by T.S. Eliot and new critics. These poets sought to distance themselves from their own experiences and emotions, aiming to create art detached from the self. However, confessional poets challenged this approach, believing that true poetic expression could only be achieved by confronting and exploring the raw and unfiltered realities of their own lives. Secular subject matter. Unlike religious confessions such as Augustine's Confessions, which focused on spiritual matters and religious experiences, confessional poetry addressed secular subject matter. Poets in this movement delved into their personal lives, examining their struggles, joys, fears, and vulnerabilities with unflinching honesty. This unapologetic focus on the self set confessional poetry apart from the works of previous eras. Candor and shocking detail. What truly distinguished confessional poetry was its fearless candor and the use of shocking detail. Poets like Sylvia Plath, Annie Sexton, and John Berryman bared their souls on the page, sharing intimate details of their mental anguish, struggles with mental illness, sexual experiences, and even suicidal thoughts. This level of self-revelation was unprecedented in poetry, challenging societal taboos and opening new avenues of expression. Key figures in confessional poetry. Robert Lowell's Life Studies is considered the seminal work of confessional poetry, laying the foundation for the movement. Other prominent figures include Allen Ginsberg, Sylvia Plath, Annie Sexton, and John Berryman. Each poet brought their unique voice and experiences to the genre, further enriching the diversity and impact of confessional poetry. Literary legacy. Confessional poetry left a lasting impact on the landscape of modern poetry. It paved the way for more autobiographical and emotionally charged verse, encouraging poets to explore their own lives and experiences with greater authenticity. The movement also opened up discussions on mental health, sexuality, and other deeply personal topics, helping to destigmatize these issues through poetic expression. Conclusion. Confessional poetry's bold and unapologetic exploration of the self remains a testament to the power of vulnerability and authenticity in poetic expression. By breaking free from traditional norms and embracing their own truths, these poets created a revolution that continues to resonate with readers and writers alike. So this was the discussion on the term confessional poetry. I will meet you in the next video. If you have any doubts or questions, then you can ask in the comment section. Until the next video, thank you and bye bye.